We just received in this dehumidifier by the brand BEDRED, and so our water softener actually leaked all over our basement, so we wanted something a little extra to help our other dehumidifier with taking the moisture out of the air. So we ordered this one, and I'm gonna do an unboxing for it, and also we're gonna set it up and see how it works. This is the model CT11, and it's supposed to be low energy consumption. Water tank capacity is 95 ounces. And it said on the listing it is sufficient for about 1,000 square feet, which is what we need.
The dehumidifier came really well packaged. It had padding on both the top and the bottom of the box to protect it in transit. It's a very compact, cute little machine. I can see it being good for a lot of really small spaces.
Directions. There's actually also a troubleshooting page on the back, which is really nice. It's a dual core, 2 semiconductor refrigeration, have double power, 7 colorful lights, power mode and night mode, and a 95 ounce tank. So there's a QR code on top where you can scan for instructions as well. It's not heavy at all. It's really nice and semi-lightweight for a dehumidifier. We're gonna go set it up and plug it in and see how it works.
The unit comes with a really nice long cord, so you've got a good amount of reach with it. In this next clip, you'll hear the machine running.
So the light will change color. Now it's at a blue. And if you want to lock in a color you like, you would just hit that light button there and that would lock it in. So now it's at purple. Now it's turned to like more of a red color. Now it looks like it's a bit of a yellow, but they seem to be overlapping. I like the green, so I'm gonna see if I hit this, if it will stay green. And it is staying green, so that does work, which is great. Now to turn it off, you should just be able to press the power button and it will turn off.
I kind of double tapped there, so I had to press the on-off button again for it to actually turn off.
And it shut down. It takes a minute for the fan and everything to stop after you press the off button. So this here is a nice little handle. You can pick it up and carry it wherever you need to. And then down here is where you'll have the area where all your water gets collected. And you just take that out. There, and I'd imagine the lid comes off. That's really nice. Put that back in. Beeps when you put it back in.
Hang on to the directions when you buy this unit because it has some really great troubleshooting information on the back of the little booklet.
So I'm going to run this here in my daughter's room. Show a nice little spot for it right here, and she's got a plug up in the air here. So that's what it does when you first plug it in. I'm going to put it over here and turn it on. My green color is still there too, so it saves it, I guess. So you can hear it running, and I'm just gonna wait for it to fill up and see how long it takes, and then I will show the dumping process of the water and how to empty it and then put it back together. Not sure if you can hear this, but this has been running really smooth all night. It's kind of like a little bit of a white noise for the bedroom, which is really good. There's been no hiccups, so I'm going to turn it off and see how much water it's collected overnight. Wait for it to turn off.
It does take the machine a couple seconds after you hit the off button, so you just have to wait it out.
And then I'll turn it around here. This is where the water tank is here. You can see the water level there. So we'll take it into the bathroom and dump it. So you can dump this in a sink, or if I have a larger amount that's going to splash back, I'll just put it in the toilet because it's more room. So this just comes off the top here, like so. And this is the sensor here. So this hangs down, and then when it gets pushed up, the unit will turn off. And that's how your sensor works there. And with this arrow, it goes back in the machine like this. So we'll go do that. Fits right in.
So if you have a smaller space and you're looking for a dehumidifier that is not too bulky and cumbersome to use and works really well, this one's a great choice. It is easy to use. It's really straightforward. The LED light is a really nice feature, and also it's not too loud, and it's really easy to kind of put anywhere. I don't feel like it's something I'd be tripping over, which sometimes happens in our house.